Mastering Claude for AI engineering assistance will guide you through setting up and optimizing Claude for streamlined AI project workflows, enhancing your skills in integrating advanced functionalities and troubleshooting common issues. Did you know that Claude is transforming how we build AI engineering assistance by offering tools that simplify complex workflows? In this video, we'll dive into Claude's capabilities, from setup to advanced API functionalities. By the end, you'll be equipped to enhance your AI projects with intuitive interfaces and optimized workflows. Let's get started. Claude is a revolutionary platform designed to streamline AI development. Its user-friendly interface allows engineers to manage complex workflows with ease. Key features include customizable templates, seamless integration with existing tools, and comprehensive analytics for project optimization. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your workflow, but also offers real-time insights into project performance. Claude does just that, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced AI engineers. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid understanding of how Claude's features can be harnessed to enhance your AI projects. Setting up Claude is straightforward but requires attention to detail to fully leverage its capabilities. Begin by creating an account and selecting the appropriate project template. Remember to configure settings according to your specific project needs, such as selecting default languages or defining user roles. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and tools available. A common challenge during setup is ensuring compatibility with existing systems, but Claude's robust API and integration options make this a seamless process. Proper setup lays the foundation for a successful project, so take the time to get it right.
One of Claude's standout features is its ability to integrate with a wide range of existing tools, such as Jira, Slack, and GitHub. This ensures a seamless transition and enhances your current workflow without the need for significant adjustments. Using Claude's API, you can connect and automate processes, making your AI project management more efficient. For instance, developers can automate task assignments based on project milestones. However, integration is not without challenges. It's important to address compatibility issues early on and utilize Claude's extensive documentation for troubleshooting. Successful integration can greatly enhance productivity and project outcomes.
A well-designed user interface is crucial for any AI engineering assistant. Claude offers a variety of customizable UI components that allow you to create interfaces that are both intuitive and functional. Focus on simplicity and usability, ensure that key functions are accessible and clearly labeled. Successful interfaces often involve minimalistic designs that prioritize user needs. By leveraging Claude's UI tools, you can enhance the user experience, making it easier for team members to navigate and utilize the platform effectively. Remember, a great UI can significantly impact the adoption and success of your AI projects.
Claude's API offers advanced functionalities that allow developers to customize and extend the capabilities of their AI projects. Whether you're looking to implement specific algorithms or automate complex tasks, Claude's API provides the tools you need. Real-world examples include automating data analysis processes or integrating Claude with custom AI models. For coding, ensure you're familiar with Claude's API documentation, which provides comprehensive guides and examples. Troubleshooting API issues often involves checking for compatibility and ensuring proper authentication. Mastering Claude's API can greatly enhance your project's capabilities and efficiency.
Automation is a key component of Claude, designed to streamline workflows and reduce manual tasks. By setting up automated processes, you can focus on strategic decisions rather than mundane operations. Claude allows for automation in areas such as task assignment, data processing, and report generation. For instance, you can automate the collection and analysis of large datasets, freeing up time for more critical tasks. Effective automation requires careful planning and testing to ensure processes run smoothly and as intended. Leveraging Claude's automation features can significantly boost productivity and project efficiency.
Let's explore some real-world applications where Claude has made a significant impact. From healthcare to finance, Claude is being used to develop AI systems that improve efficiency and accuracy. One notable case study involves a healthcare organization that used Claude to automate patient data analysis, leading to faster diagnosis and treatment plans. Another example is a financial institution that leveraged Claude's automation to streamline compliance processes, reducing errors and saving time. These success stories highlight Claude's versatility and potential across various industries. By learning from these cases, you can apply similar strategies to your projects. Troubleshooting is an inevitable part of any project, and Claude is no exception. Common issues include integration problems, API errors, and performance lags. The key to effective troubleshooting is timely identification and resolution. Claude provides extensive support resources, including documentation and community forums where users can share experiences and solutions. It's also essential to implement best practices such as regular updates and system checks to prevent issues from arising. By staying proactive and utilizing available resources, you can minimize disruptions and keep your projects running smoothly. Congratulations on completing this guide to mastering Claude for AI engineering assistance. We've covered everything from setting up Claude to integrating its advanced features into your projects. Now it's time to put what you've learned into practice. Explore Claude's capabilities further, experiment with new features, and continue growing your skills. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below and invite you to subscribe for more content on AI development. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until then, happy innovating with Claude.